Welcome. In front of me is a HAYLOU RT watch, and today I'll go over unboxing of this device. Now, just pop it open. So before I get into it, I'll mention a couple different things which you can see at the back. So we have some basic information right here, like the waterproofing and dustproofing of IP68, although watches aren't really rated in this kind of way. This is for smartphones, so this is a little bit sketchy, but whatever. I do have 12 sports mode, sleep monitoring, all-day heart rate monitoring, TFT HD touch screen, and 15-day long battery life. Now, below that is something that I really like here. Actual specifications of the device, for instance, the battery capacity, what type, charging. Now it's still lacking some of them, for instance, like the screen resolution and stuff like that, but still better than nothing, which I really appreciate it. So anyway, let's now pop it open. There's obviously nothing here, just a flimsy paper case. Oh, I think it's like this. Yep, there we go. So let's see it right here. There's the watch. Just get rid of this. Let's power it on. Hopefully it is charged. Oh, there we go. Now it automatically gives me a message to download their app. Let's see. I'm curious where it's gonna take me. Is it gonna be Play Store or something else? Nope, it's their website. Oh no, never mind. It takes me to their Play Store. Reviews seem okay, at least we're right here. And there's a bunch of negative comments. Oh well. Anyway, let's install it and see our own experience here. Share location. Great. Let's open it up. Step on next, and I mean, obviously we need to allow to all spying, sharing, location trash, so there's no way around it. Let's see if I can log in with something else. Facebook is not installed. Twitter is not installed. Wow, great. Yeah, well, I have one problem already here, which is, well, I'm not gonna go through the setup. I am not planning to provide my phone number to some sketchy application just so they can sell my data. Sorry, but that ain't happening. So that's a big no-no for me. So if you don't like providing your personal data, just so you can get a cheaper device, don't get this thing. You can already see the absolute trash that it wants from you. Like, why would I need to provide my phone number? What's the reason? Why, in case I lose the watch, you're gonna call me? There is literally zero reason for you apart from selling my phone number to someone that wants to send me some trash sell offers. So yeah, I will pass. And it looks like without the application we can't finish up the setup, so that's all we get from this watch here. Anyway, let's see what else we got in here. So we got charging cable. Now at least it is magnetic, as you can see, so you can just slap it at the back. It will find it or not. Oh, okay, so it was the wrong way. So as you can see, you can only get it one way, otherwise it won't want to stick. So yeah, there we go. And we get anything else? We got really thin manual here. And well, nothing below that. So that's all we get. So this is the watch, and unfortunately I wasn't able to go through the setup for reasons that I disclosed. But if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and well, thanks for watching.